The Shared Learning Collaborative and Learning Registry provide the technical infrastructure from which new applications and tools can be created. Extending them to improve career and technical education and workforce development programs at the secondary and post-secondary levels can benefit students and educators. Here are some examples. For CTE and workforce development programs, an application can be developed for creating an environment that fosters peer-to-peer collaboration by sharing of resources, teaching approaches, and staying current in areas of interest. Teachers could benefit from joining groups, participating with discussions, and receiving notifications similar to social media.
Multiple dashboard views can be created to see information ranging from an individual student and parent perspective to looking at the class progress overall, to learning maps and recommended resources.
Dashboard options for students and parents can help reinforce learners having an active role in building personalized learning experiences. For example, by reviewing past performance and credentials or badges earned, looking at current progress and recommended resources based on current skill level, and using a learning map to see education pathways and skills needed to meet the next benchmark.
Based on SLC and Learning Registry technologies, applications and tools can be developed for creating and updating career and technical education and workforce development, programs, courses, modules, or lesson plans. The concepts show how applications and tools could look for CTE and workforce development educators and students.
With this example, an educator updates a course called Technology Orientation. To begin, the educator enters the basic information to identify the subject area and grade level.
Then they select the resources of the academic, technical, and employability learning standards used in the course,
and the specific standards to be learned.
If applicable, they select the credentials that can be earned by successfully completing the course. This information is used to develop the learning map for the course.
With this example, the educator is adding a module to the course. The module includes identification of academic, technical, and employability standards.
Based on the standards and skill level, the teacher can search for related resources. The related resources are identified in the Learning Registry, and they have been tagged with specific metadata and paradata descriptors.
The educator can review the related resources and compare the descriptions, reviews, and ratings and select the best resources for the module and course.
The standards and resources become a learning map available to the educator and students. The SLC application tools and Learning Registry are providing opportunities to further improve CTE and workforce development programs.
In order for secondary and post-secondary career and technical education and workforce development programs to fully realize the benefits of the Learning Registry, employability and technical standards need to be open and set up to allow for consistent tagging, and open educational resources need to be identified and aligned to these standards. To learn more, watch the other videos in this series.